Om Namah Shivaya. Here you see beautiful, huge size Nirakar Uttaraksha, 6.4 grams in weight and 26 in size. It's a wonderful Nirakar Uttaraksha and it's having Ganesh in it. Actually, it's a 5-mukhi Uttaraksha, all faces are closed. 5-mukhi Uttaraksha, all faces are nearly closed and naturally it forms as a Nirakar Uttaraksha. And totally unbelievable, heavy power, Lord Shiva, Nirakara Uttaraksha, huge size with Lord Ganesh. You can feel extreme energy of Lord Shiva in this Nirakara Uttaraksha. It is unbelievable collection. Naturally, 5-mukhi Uttaraksha converted into Nirakara Uttaraksha in the tree. Unbelievable collection. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.